The robot has an internal cockpit. The pilot sits inside the chest area of the robot. ARCHAX is about 4.5 meters tall, and it weighs more than 3.5 tons. The exterior design is heavily inspired by Japanese mecha culture. You can clearly see the influence of anime robots. But unlike fictional mechas, ARCHAX can operate in 2 different modes: a standing robot mode and a vehicle mode, where the robot lowers its body and moves using wheels. In vehicle mode, the robot can roll across flat surfaces, which allows it to move more efficiently. Inside the cockpit, the pilot is surrounded by digital screens. These screens show camera views from outside the robot. Several cameras are installed around the robot, allowing the pilot to see the environment. The pilot uses joysticks and digital controls to move the robot arms and body. When the pilot moves the controls, the robot arms move in the same direction. The arms can perform large mechanical movements, just like a giant robotic machine. ARCHAX also includes internal sensors to monitor the robot systems. These sensors help ensure safe operation and stable movement. The robot body is covered with armored panels, giving it a futuristic appearance. The mechanical joints are visible across the robot, which makes the design look very industrial. The robot also includes weapon-style mechanical arms. Although they are designed for demonstration purposes, the robot uses electric motors and mechanical actuators. To move its structure, ARCHAX is not designed for combat. It is mainly a technological demonstration. The project shows what large-scale robotics can achieve. With modern engineering, another interesting detail is the transformation system, switching between robot mode and vehicle mode. In robot mode, the machine stands upright, showing its full height. In vehicle mode, the robot lowers itself and moves like a futuristic transport machine. The company plans to produce a small number of these robots, making them extremely rare. It is also designed as a promotional robotics platform for exhibitions and technology events. The cockpit system includes multiple control panels and a full digital interface. Several safety systems are integrated to prevent mechanical overload. ARCHAX was revealed publicly in Japan. At Technology Exhibition, the robot quickly attracted global attention. Because of its unique concept, few companies attempt robots of this size, especially pilotable ones. The engineering challenge is extremely complex. Because of the robot's weight and balance, the wheels help solve part of the mobility problem. Allowing stable movement, the internal systems also distribute weight carefully to keep the robot stable. This project mixes robotics, vehicle engineering, and entertainment technology into one machine. ARCHAX is one of the closest examples to a real-life mecha robot. One of the most surprising things about ARCHAX is the price. The estimated cost is around $3 million. Large robots like this could eventually assist in heavy industrial work. But for now, ARCHAX is mainly a demonstration platform. For advanced robotics engineering, projects like this inspire robotics engineers to build even more advanced machines. It shows what is possible when robotics meets creative design. ARCHAX stands as one of the most unique robots ever built, a real pilotable giant machine. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more robotics content.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
Goodbye, everyone. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.